Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.3 of playing with numbers. Question 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 by 8. So first we have applied divisibility test 4 and 8 and find who is divisible by 4 and who is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. Now divisibility test of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digit is divisible by 8. Okay. So now let's check who is divisible by 4 and who is divisible by 8. Here you can see a part of question number 2, 572. First we check divisibility by divisible by 4. After this we check divisible by 8. Okay. So for divisibility test of 4 is we check last two digits. The number formed by last two digit is 72. You can see here 72 last two digit. The number formed by the last two digit is 72. And you can see 72 is divisible by 4. Okay. 72 is divisible by 4. 18 4 is 72. Okay. So 72 is divisible by 4. So the given number 572 is divisible by 4. Okay. For divisibility test of 4, we check only last two digit numbers. Okay. Last two digit. Here you can say 72 last two digit. Okay. A number formed by last two digit is 72. So 72 is divisible by 4. Then the given number 572 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now divisible by 8. So for divisibility test of 8 is we check last three digit. Okay. The number found by last three digit is 572. So here 572 is also given. Okay. This is number only three digit. So we divide it by 8. So you can see this number is not divisible by 8. Okay. If last three digit is not divisible by 8, then given number is not divisible by 8. Okay. So here since 872 is not divisible by 8, so the given number this is 872 is not divisible by 8. We apply this test and check all the questions. Okay. Now part B. This is the B part of question 2. 7,26,352. Okay. So first we check divisible by 4. So for divisibility test of 4 is we take last two digit. Okay, and form a number. So here last two digit number is 52. So form the number by last two digit is 52. Okay, the number formed by last two digit is 52, and here we divide it. 52 is divisible by 4. So this given number, okay, since 52 is divisible by 4, so the given number 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Okay, this here we divide it 4, and now we are going to check divisible by 8. This number is divisible by 8 or not. So let's see. The number found by last three digit is 352. Last three digit, this is last three digit 352. Okay. So first we divide last 3 digit means 352 by 8. If 352 is divisible by 8, then this number is divisible by 8. So look here, we divide 352. Okay, so you can see here 352 is divisible by 8. Okay, so the given number is divisible by 8. Okay, so right, since 352 is divisible by 8, the given number 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. Okay, so in this way we see 7,26,352 is divisible by 4 and 8 also. Here given number is 5,500. Okay, so last two digit is 00. Clear? The number formed by last two digit is 00. So 00 is divisible by 4. Okay, 00 is divisible by 4. Then the given number 5,500 is divisible by 4. Clear? Student, we can write 5,500 is like this, 55 into 100. Okay, so this is not 0, you can say this is 100. Okay, 100 divisible by 4. Clear? And now we are going to check 5,500 divisible by 8 or not. Okay, so first we check last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is 500. Okay, the number formed by last 3 digit is 500. Okay, so here student we check, you can see here 500 is not divisible by 8, because here you can see remainder is 4, not 0. Okay, so since 500 is not divisible by 8, then the number 5,500 is not divisible by 8. Clear? Student, remember the divisibility test. Okay, 4 and 8. Then you can solve such type questions. Okay, for the divisibility test, for divisible by 4 we check last 2 digit, and for divisible by 8 we check last 3 digit. Okay, so here 2 digit is 00 and last 3 digit is 500. So 500 is not divisible by 8, so the given number is not divisible by 8. 5,500 is not divisible by 8. Clear? Now we are going to check D part, 6,000. Now this is the D part, the number is 6,000. So first we check this is divisible by 4 or not. So we check last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is 00. The number formed by last 2 digit is 00. So since 00 is divisible by 4, 0 means 100 place. Okay, 00. Since 00 is divisible by 4, then the given number 6,000 is divisible by 4. Okay, now we check 6,000 is divisible by 8 or not. So we take we see 3 digit, last 3 digit. You can see a last 3 digit is 000. Okay, so the number formed by last 3 digit is 000. Since if any numbers, even any numbers have 30 at last, so that number is divisible by 8. Okay, if any numbers have 2 digit and unit place and 10th place is 00, then that number is also divisible by 4. Okay, and here you can see last 3 digits is 00, so this numbers 6,000 divisible by 8. Okay, you can take many examples. If given numbers have last 3 digit is 0, then you can say this number is divisible by 8. And any given numbers is last two digit is 0, means ones place digit and tens place digit is 0 0, then that number is divisible by 4. And 100 and any numbers have 100 place digit 0, tens place digit 0 and ones place digit 0, then that number is also divisible by 8. Okay, so 30 divisible by 8, 20 divisible by 4, 30 is also divisible by 4. Okay, now E part is 12,159. So we check 12,159 is divisible by 4 and divisible by 8 or not. Here you can see part E of question number 2. Given number is 12,159. Okay, so first we check divisible by 4. For divisible by 4 we check last two digit. So the number formed by last two digit is 59. Okay, so you can see here 59 is not divisible by 4. Okay, it's give remainder 3. If you divide 59, it's give remainder 3. Okay, not 0. So 59 is not divisible by 4. Then the given number 12,159 is not divisible by 4. Clear? And now we are going to check divisible by 8. So divisible by 8, we check last three digit. What is last three digit? 153. Okay, so found number is 159. If 59 divisible by 8, then this number is divisible by 8. Okay, let's see. Here you can see the number found by last three digit is 159. Okay, and here you can see 159 is not divisible by 8 because it's give remainder 7. Okay, so since 159 is not divisible by 8, then the given number 12,159 is not divisible by 8. Okay, so you can see this is our solution of E part of question number 2. Now we are going to check part F. This is the F part of question number 2. 14,560. So first we check divisible by 4. After this divisible by 8. For divisible by 4 we check last two digit. You can see here last two digit is 60. So 60 is divisible by 4. So 14,560 is divisible by 4. So you can see here the number formed by the last two digit is 60. Since 60 is divisible by 4, you can say here 4 divided 60 to 15 times. Okay, we have to remainder 0. So 60 is divisible by 4, then the given number 14,560 is divisible by 4. Okay, now we check divisible by 8. So for this we check last three digit 560. So number is it's become 560. So the number found by last three digit is 560. Since 560 is divisible by 8, if you divide 560, we obtain 70. Okay, so 560 is divisible by 8. Then the given number 14,560 is divisible by 8. Okay, so this number is divisible by 4 and divisible by 8 also. Okay, for divisibility of 4 we check last two digit, and the divisibility test of 8 we check last 3 digit of given numbers. Okay, now we are going to discuss F part, sorry, G part of question number 2. Now this G part is okay, 21,084. First we check divisible by 4. So for divisibility test of 4 is we check last 2 digit, means tens place and unit place. So number found by tens place and unit place is 84. You can see here 84. Okay, so 84 is divisible by 4 or not? Check. You can see here, if you divide 84 by 4, so you obtain 2 times 4 to the 8, 0, and here bring out 4, 4 1 ja 4. Okay, elementary 0 are cancelled. Okay, so you can see here last 2 digits divisible by 4. So the given number is 21,084 is divisible by 4, is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Okay, now we are going to check divisible by 8. Okay, so for divisible by 8 we check last 3 digit. Okay, so last 3 digit is 0, 8, 4. It means 84. Okay, 84. So you can see here 84 is not divisible by 8. Okay, if you divide it, this is not divisible by 8. We obtain a remainder 4. Okay, 84, 0 8 4 means 84 is not divisible by 8. By 8. Okay, so given number, what is the given number? 21,084 is not divisible by 8. Is not divisible by 8. Okay, now so you see here 21,084 is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 8. Okay, for divisible by 8 we check last 3 digit. So here last 3 digit is, you can see here 0, 8 4 means 84. So 84 is not divisible by 8. So 21,084 is not divisible by 8. But in the case of divisible by 4, we check last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is 84, 84. So 84 is divisible by 4. So 21,084 is divisible by 4. Okay, now we are going to check I part, sorry, H part of question number 2. Now this is given number 3,17,95,072. Okay, so we check divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Okay, so for divisible by 4 we check last two digits. Last two digit is here 72. Last two digit is 72. Okay, so 72 is divisible by 4. Okay, if you divide 72 by 4, so 4 1 ja 4, here 1 3, bring down to 8 4 ja 32, 4 8 ja 32, so you write 32. You can see here remainders become 0 0. Okay, so 70 last two digits divisible by 72, so then given number, therefore the given number is 3,70,95,000. Okay, 95,072. Okay, 3,70,95,072 is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. By 4. Okay, now we see here last two digit. For divisible by 4 we will check last two digit. Last two digit is 72, so 72 is divisible by 4, so this number is divisible by 4. And now we are going to check divisible by 8. Okay, so for divisible by 8 we check last three digit. You can see here last three digit is 072. Okay, so last three digit is 072, it means 72. Okay, so you know 72 is divisible by 8. Okay, 72 is divisible by 8 9 times. 8 9 is 72. Okay, so 72 is divisible by 8. By 8. Okay, so 3,70,95,072 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. Clear? So you can see here 3,70,95,072 is divisible by 4 and also divisible by 8. Okay, now we are going to check I part. This is divisibility test of. This is I part of question number 2. We check divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Okay, so first we check divisible by 4. For this we check last two digit. So you can see here last two digit is 0 0. Okay, last two digit is 0 0, so this is divisible by 4. Okay, last two digit is 0 0, so divisible by 4, so 17 1700 is divisible by 4. By 4. Okay, 1700 divisible by 4. Clear? Because here you can see last digit is 0 0. Okay, you can write like this, into 100. Okay, so 00 is divisible by, if any number have last two digit 00, then that number is divisible by 4. Okay, now we check this number is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, for this is our given number 1700. For divisible by 8, we check last 3 digit. Okay, last 3 digit is what? Last 700. Okay, last 3 digit is 700. If last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. Okay, so for this we divide it. Okay, so let's see, divide it by 8, 700 divided by 8. So how many times? 8 times. 8 8 is 64. So this is 64. Okay, so here 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. This is cancel out, it means 0. Okay, bring down 0, here 0. Okay, so how many times? 7 times. So 8 7 is 56. Okay, so here 4. So you can see here 4 is, remainder is 4. So it means that 8 is not, 700 is not divisible by 8. Okay, so 700 is not divisible by 8. Okay, $700 is not divisible by 8. By 8. Okay, so given number, so given number is, given number, what is given number? 1700. 1700 is not divisible by 8. By 8. Okay, for divisible by 8, we check last 3 digit. This is our given numbers, so we check here last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is 700. So you can see here 700 is not divisible by 8. Okay, 700 is not divisible by 8. So given number 1700 is not divisible by 8. Okay, so in this question you can see 1700 is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 8. This is last part of question number 2. J part 2250. So first we check divisible by 4. So given number is 2250. For divisible by 4, we check last 2 digit. If last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then given number is divisible by 4. So you can see here last 2 digit is 50. So you divide 50 by 4. So 4 1 is 4. 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. Break down 0, it's become 10. 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So you can see here remainder is 2, not 0. It means that 50 is not divisible by, this shows that 50 is not divisible by 4, not divisible by 4, not divisible by 4. Okay, so the given number, therefore the given number is 2150 is not divisible by 4. Okay, now we are going to check the given number is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, so here the given number is 2150. For divisible by 8 we check last 3 digit. So here you can see last 3 digit is 150. If 150 divisible by 8, this is last 3 digit. Okay, if 150 divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. Okay, so first we divide it. This is last 3 digit. So how many times? 1. 15 minus 8 is 7. Bring down 0, so it's become 70. So 88 is 64. You can see here remainder is 6. So this number is not divisible by 8. Okay, 150 is not divisible by 8, so this number is not divisible by 8. Okay, so write here from above 150 is not divisible by 8. Okay, therefore 2150 is not divisible by 8. Okay, so you can see here the given number 2150 is not divisible by 4, and also 2150 is not divisible by 8. Okay, thank you for watching.